Hi beautiful lovers, welcome back to my YouTube channel The Beauty Spot. Hope so you guys are all doing well. In today's video, I will show you some unique hairstyles for girls. First up, we have the double Dutch braids with a twist. Next, the half-up space buns. For something a little more intricate, try the ladder braid ponytail. How about the fishtail braid crown? For those who love something a bit bolder, go for a bubble ponytail. This funky style involves tying the hair into a sleek high ponytail, then adding multiple hair ties down the length of the ponytail to create bubbles. It's easy to do and perfect for girls who love to stand out. If you guys like this video, please press the like button. Thanks.